Statewide losses from Hurricane Milton have now surpassed $3 billion here in Florida.
We are asking how this will affect homeowners insurance in our ongoing coverage collapse. WPTV's Matt Cesny spoke with one CEO.
The CEO I spoke with is currently in London, meeting, he says, with reinsurance firms and going over the potential financial impact of our recent storms.
We have at this point about, I would say, 60 to 70 claims that have been reported specifically with tornado damage.
That is just the tip of the iceberg. Heritage CEO Ernie Garrito says claims from Hurricane Milton now number at 6,700 in Florida for Heritage. Claims he says they can handle, which may mean better news for rates.
One of the things that take into account in rates is that we're looking at a couple things. One is reinsurance, right? And how the reinsurance is going to react to these storms as we go out there and buy reinsurance ourselves. I will say it's early in that process.
Garrito does say there are other signs that have him hopeful for Florida's insurance market, namely a decrease in lawsuits from claims. Heritage did roll back its rates this year on average about 3%, but rate reductions are not widespread in the industry, certainly not as much as consumer pain is. Advocate Tasha Carter.
You know, we have 15 insurance companies that have filed rate decreases with the Office of Insurance Regulation. But even with those rate decreases that have been filed, affordability still remains the top concern.
Another concern centers on claims. Heritage this year was hit with a large fine in the aftermath of Hurricane Ian, and there was national attention over adjuster reports. The CEO says they have made changes.
We owe it not just to that policyholder to write the correct coverages they're afforded on the policy, but to all policyholders in the state. Again, if we're paying for coverages that aren't really afforded, that's going to cost everybody's rates to go up.
So with our hurricane season just about over, there does seem to be more optimism, especially among insurance CEOs, on our insurance market. In West Palm Beach, Matt Cesny, WPTV News.